When you work with a law firm, you're likely going to be asked to pay an initial deposit, sometimes called a retainer, upfront. That is money that you pay the law firm that they hold in what's called a trust account, an attorney trust account. We collect an amount of money up front to secure your payments, to make sure that you're going to pay our bill. And also sometimes to be able to pay some expenses on your behalf, like filing fees or deposition fees or court reporter fees, anything that is a requirement for your specific case. At our firm, we call it an initial deposit, and we take a specific amount of money up front for the initial deposit. And that is the security blanket. That is like you paying your security deposit on your apartment. So we put the initial deposit in our attorney trust account, and that money is completely separate from the money that we use to run our law firm. That is a requirement by law. It is your money and it is kept in a safe account. It's an interest-bearing account, and no, we do not get to keep the interest. The interest goes to the state of Maryland to support legal services. But that is where the money stays. And then you get invoiced, and then you pay us the amount of the invoice. And that money is still there to pay your expenses and also to cover you to make sure that you do pay your bill. Finally, at the end of your case, the initial deposit is applied to your last invoice, and anything remaining you get back.